Hello students, this is teacher Albert. Welcome to AES Online English class. Today we're going to be teaching Book 1, Unit 6. Today's greetings students is going to be, hey, how are you doing? Repeat after me, hey, how are you doing? I'm doing good, thanks. And you? Let's repeat, I'm doing good, thanks. And you? I'm doing great. One more time, let's repeat. Hey, how are you doing? Now, quickly. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing good, thanks. And you? I'm doing great. Okay, students, let's go and let's see the vocabulary on page 23. Page 23. Everybody on page 23? Okay. The first picture is ring. Repeat after me. Ring. Picture 2, earrings. Earrings. Picture 3, chain. Chain. Picture 4, necklace. Necklace. Picture 5, wrist watch. Wrist watch. Picture 6, bracelet. Bracelet. Picture 7, backpack. Backpack. Picture 8, belt. Belt. Picture 9, glasses. Glasses. Picture 10, wallet. Wallet. Picture 11, keychain. Keychain. Picture 12, briefcase. Briefcase. Ahora ya todos como sabemos el vocabulario, vamos a entrar a hacer las afirmaciones. Estamos en la página 24, page 24. This is my book. Este libro es mío. This is my book. Repeat. This is my book. Pero si estamos hablando de ella, de su libro, this is her book. Este es su libro. Ahora, si yo quiero decir que esto es mío solamente, sin necesidad de decir el objeto, this is mine. This is mine. Or it's mine. Estamos hablando de mi libro. Mi libro. It's mine. Si estamos hablando de ella, de su libro, this is her book, ¿cómo sería el entonces? It's hers. It's hers. Es su libro. Usamos siempre esta forma para no mencionar el objeto de lo que ya es tuyo. ¿Está claro? Ok. Questions. Let's go to page 25. Página 25, page 25. Y vamos a ver los ejemplos en cómo hacer una pregunta. We're going to see the examples on how to make the question. Question 1. Whose, pronunciation, whose, repeat, whose necklace is this? Y para contestar podemos hacerlo de las dos formas. It's her necklace, it's her necklace, or it's hers. Otra vez. Question. Whose necklace is this? It's her necklace. It's hers. ¿Listo, chicos? Ok. In the same page, on page 25, you're gonna have different examples. Van a tener diferentes ejemplos. La idea es que trabajemos juntos y podamos contestar. En la segunda foto, in the second picture, ¿de qué estamos hablando? Cadena, chain, chain. ¿De quién es la cadena? Whose chain is this? Whose chain is this? Ahí podemos contestar, it's mine, it's hers, it's his, y lo que tú quieras responder.